To add second account on WhatsApp, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Tap this three dot. Tap on Settings. Select Account. Under Account Settings, tap on Add Account. Tap on Add Account. And now tap on Agree and Continue. Now go ahead and select your secondary account, country code, and add your phone number. Tap on Next. That's how go ahead and add your second account. Now let's do the second method. If you're using an Android phone, open the settings. In settings, tap the search settings. Type here Dual and open Dual Messenger. Under available apps, here you'll find WhatsApp. Enable WhatsApp from here. Tap on Install. This will install a second copy of WhatsApp. Now, on your primary WhatsApp, go ahead and add your primary WhatsApp account. And to use your second WhatsApp account, open the duplicated WhatsApp app. Tap on Agree and Continue and go ahead and add your second WhatsApp account.